Good morning. Welcome to Food News Asia, your daily news on food processing. I'm Hui Yi, the reporter for today. In a recent effort to encourage students' learning, Singapore Polytechnic has initiated a project for them to research on mixing in food processing. Mixing is a vital process in any food production process. In food processing terms, mixing is a process whereby different substances are combined to form one substance or mass. It contributes greatly to the texture of a food, which inversely affects the overall quality of the food. Mixing is carried out through the process of transforming raw materials into food for human consumption. In large-scale food production with mixing facilities used, mixing is also part of the process of R&D, research and development, and effort to improve the product's consistency. It is unclear when mixing first started as early since ages. People have been incorporating mixing into their activities. However, the first mechanical mixer patented was in 1956 in America, mainly to whisk eggs with lesser effort. The first invention for electric standing mixer came by in 1908 from an engineer named Herbert Johnson for the Hobart Manufacturing Company. Through numerous tries and challenges, the 80-quart KitchenAid, his invention was a necessity mixing equipment for most large confectioneries by 1915. In 1919, a smaller version that was more suitable for home usage was introduced into the market.
Hi, I'm Angel, one of the reporters from Food News Asia. Now we're outside a chocolate shop in Buona Vista. Chocolate is a food product which involves mixing it in production. One of the steps in the manufacturing process is by mixing cocoa and cocoa powder with sugar to form a chocolate paste. In the final production stage, chocolate undergoes conching, refining and tempering to produce a glossy and smooth texture.
Conching is a long process of intense mixing, agitating, and aerating of heated liquid chocolate. The conching machine kneads the paste for anywhere from a few hours to a few days. The conchers have heavy rollers that can produce different degrees of agitation and aeration. This long intense process will give the final flavor and texture of the chocolate. During this long process, various off-flavored and bitter substances, as well as water vapor, will evaporate away from the chocolate. It smoothens and mellows any remaining acidic tones. Some manufacturers either replace or supplement conching with an emulsifying machine that works like an egg beater to break up sugar crystals and other particles. This step lends a fine, velvety smoothness to the chocolate.
Temper, by definition, is to bring to a desired consistency, texture, hardness, or other physical conditions by or as if by blending, admixing, or kneading. One example will be chocolates. Chocolates are made of 53% of cocoa and cocoa butter mixed with sugar to form chocolate paste. Heating and cooling chocolates without controlling the temperature will cause different and inconsistent crystallization of cocoa butter formed. This will then cause the chocolates to crumble unpleasantly and they will appear matte, covered with white patches. Tempering is the final and crucial complex stage which involves mixing and cooling the liquid chocolate under carefully controlled conditions to ensure that the fat in the chocolate crystallizes in the most stable form. Tempering controls the crystals so that only consistently small crystals are produced, resulting in a better quality of chocolates. Highly sophisticated machineries have been developed in this process, which is one of the skills of the chocolatier.
In conclusion, mixing is an important step in the production of chocolates. Now we're at a fruit juice store in Singapore Polytechnic. This is a very special fruit juice store and its fruit juice is produced by blending two types of fruits. Special requests can be made to the store owner if the customer wants to have Yakult in their juice. Through this process of mixing, the fruit juices produced will be enriched with vitamins and minerals, thus making the drink a healthier choice.
The process of making fruit juice includes many processes from washing to the end product of mixing fruits to get our fruit juice. One of the mixing processes is clarification. Clarification consists of pectinization, where the juice is clarified further or concentrated after extraction. The juice is monitored for pectin content using a qualitative pectin check, mixing 1 part of the juice with 2 parts of ethanol. This method is done to check if pectin is present. Also, through the blending pasteurization, which is one of the steps involved in processing of juice, mixing is also involved by combining different kinds of fruits together. For example, F&M Fruit Tree Fresh produces a product named Red Grape Mixed Juice Drink, where red grapes are mixed with white grapes to form this healthy and refreshing drink. This juice drink contains many antioxidants and is high in vitamin C. Thus, it is beneficial to the health of the consumers.
We've come to the end of our news reporting. Once again, my name is Wei, one of the reporters signing off from Food News Asia. Thank you.